Write and count. Let's learn how to write and count numbers. This is number 20. This is how we write number 20. Now we are going to count and color 20 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,